Hey everybody, these are our baby Blue Quaker Parrots, and they have just had their second breakfast. They're all with the babies. We keep them in my home. You can see they're in my home, and you might see I might have been on plant TikTok, but we are keeping them in isolation. They all came from the breeder facility, and we want to make sure they're well socialized and feeding, and they'll be in the store next week. But here you have Blue Quakers. These are great little birds. They can learn to talk, and you can find out more about them on our website at cookshop.com. Thank you.